Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RoRa First. Today in this video we are doing exercise number 8 of Fusion 360. Let's go into the screen. So today this is the 3D shape. We are going to 3D model in Fusion 360. First of all, let's create a sketch in the front plane. Then we will make some extrude here. Create a sketch on a front plane. Make a rectangle of 62 by 42. 62 by 42. Press enter. Then let's make a height of 14 and the upper height is 10. The missing dimension is this one. So yeah, the unknown dimension can be calculated as 42 minus 10 minus 14. So the result will be 18 mm. 14, 18 plus 10. Choose line. Make 14 mm point. Then 18 mm. And the upper height will be 10 mm. Then from the center it is 34 mm. Let's make a line. From the center it's 32 by 2, 16, and from here 16. Okay, then this height will be up to here 10 mm. Choose line. Snap to the reference line 10 mm and make this point intersect. Okay, sorry. Choose line and intersect this two line. Okay, you can mirror this sketch. We need to choose a line. Let's choose mirror. This one and this one. Mirror line will be center line. Okay, our overall shape is like this. Yeah, and to make this extruded area, we can do some sketch here. From the center it's 12 mm and the height is 18 mm. Not 18 mm, 10 plus 12, 22 mm. Okay. From the center it's 12 mm. 12 mm perpendicular. Okay, 10 plus 12, sorry, it's 22 mm and 12 mm from the center. It's 22 mm and from here 12 by 2, 6 mm. 6 mm from the both side. It's 12 mm. So a perpendicular line will be up to here, and from the center 25 mm. Okay, choose line. From the center 25 by 12.5. So you can make a line from here and join this line. You can mirror mirror this one, another line, third line, and the middle line will be like this. So the height is 10 mm. Okay, this one. I think this one is 10 mm, right? There. Let's make another 10 mm from here, and from here it's straight perpendicular. It is just a reference line. Okay guys, you can trim these lines. This one, this. Okay, so let's make a extrude. The extrude is 24 mm. E for extrude. This is the shape, and 24 mm. Operation new body. Okay, so yeah, this is our 3D shape as given in this technical drawing. So thank you. This was for today for exercise 8. Stay tuned. Thank you.